Welcome back. So today we have Amazon, some really good deals actually today. A long list. Again, everything will be linked in the description. Everything is priced at either a good deal or at its best price on Amazon. So the good deals again are very close to the best price. But we'll jump right in. All of these items have been verified on the price tracker camel. And we'll go ahead and jump right in. We have Ego Power Plus 8-inch multi-head edger with carbon fiber shaft and power head, $199 even. And we're going to kind of power through these as well. We have Flex 24 volt brushless cordless 2-combo kit, $177.99, half-inch and 2-speed drill driver, 1/4-inch hex impact driver, 2 lithium batteries and 160 watt fast charger. Then we have the Greenworks 2000 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute. Pressure washer open frame. Shows limited time deal, which is always a good sign. 33% off for $134.99. Then we have the Pony Jorgensen easy hold 8-inch Hobbycraft clamp orange for $7. Then we have the Dewalt 5-in-1 Multi-Tacker, 19% off at $26.99. More Ego Power Plus electric lawnmower self-propelled, cordless with select cut and touch drive. Includes 2 of the 56V 4.0 amp hour batteries and rapid charger for $600. 14% off limited time deal. Then we have the SKIL 14 amp plunge and fixed base router combo, 20% off $119 even. Then we have the Dewalt TOUGHSERIES construction jack, 23% off, $99 even. Then we have the Orbit B-hyve XD 2-port smart hose watering timer, $43.50, 18% off. And this is kind of nice to kind of smartify your watering, especially if you don't want to have an intricate system that costs a lot more. You can make your water hose or even like your spigots a smart hose watering timer, $43.50, 18% off. More Ego Power Plus electric lawnmower cordless, includes 56 volt 6 amp hour battery and 320 watt charger. Limited time deal, 11% off, $399.99. Then we have the Capri Tools 1/4-inch drive 6-point socket set, shallow and deep set, $32.33, 19% off. These beautiful Capri. Then we have the GEARWRENCH 1/4-inch drive 120 XP dual material handle flex head teardrop ratchet, $35.29, lowest price in 30 days. That's always nice to see that moniker. 13% off this GEARWRENCH ratchet. Then we have the soft face mallet Simplex 40mm with fiberglass handle of nylon, $54.50. Doesn't show a percentage off, but it was showing best price on Amazon. Then we have Greenworks 24V brushless 1950 inch per pounds impact driver 1/4-inch hex variable speed tool, only for $59.53. You can apply a 20% off coupon, which will bring it down $12 down to $47. So that's an excellent deal on this Greenworks brushless impact driver. Then we have the Wera Zyklop pocket set Imperial 1 ratchet set, 13 pieces, black and green, of course. Lowest price in 30 days, 9% off at $82.37. Then we have the Dewalt 20 volt max XR biscuit joiner, brushless tool only, 31% off, $207.11. Then we have some CRAFTSMAN CFT 18-piece precision multi-bits, lowest price in 30 days, 14% off, $8.99. Then we have some tool storage from Hultafor's Deluxe Tool Backpack. And if you have tools and you need to be mobile, a good tool bag is always necessary. Haven't heard of Hultafor's, but it looks pretty quality. And $102.82, it better be 20% off. This was showing best price, but you can also apply a 20% coupon, which will get it down to $80. So it seems like a pretty decent deal on a quality looking bag. Then we have Astro Tools 10-piece 3/8 inch drive mid-length pinless universal impact sockets, metric, lowest price in 30 days, 21% off for $63.99. Next is the Craftsman Mechanics Tool set SAE 3/8 inch drive 10 piece, 46% off at $14.99. Next is the gear wrench, 14 piece 92 12 point SAE reversible ratcheting wrench set. Lowest price in 30 days, always great, 11% off at $175.61. So a little bit pricey, but it is gear wrench. It is 14 pieces of the 92 reversible ratcheting wrench set. Then we have Klein Tools, metric socket set, impact with half-inch drive, 12-point deep sockets, 5-piece sets, includes carrying case, $115.56. Next, we have some Dewalt 20-volt max XR 8 amp hour power pack lithium ion battery 2-pack, 8% off, $302.40. Then we have the 9455 200 anvil shears from Knipex, 87 inch. I believe that's what that says. Shear 7, $42.15. Knipex. Next, some Flex 24 volt brushless cordless half-inch 1150 foot-pound high torque impact wrench kit with 5 amp hour lithium battery and 160 watt fast charger. Limited time deal, 29% off, $199.99. Then we have the Irwin Quick Lift Construction Jack hand lifting jack tool, multifunctional, lift up to 10 inches, and lift capacity 330 pounds. Limited time deal, 20% off, $79 even. Then we have the Greenworks 60V 16-inch brushless cordless string trimmer, 65-minute runtime for 2-mile fence lines and large properties, 2 times quieter than gas, 2.5 amp hour battery charger included, 32% off, $135.99. Then moving slightly away from tools, we have this Amazon Basics 46,000 BTU outdoor propane patio heater with wheels, commercial residential slate gray with water tank, 32 inches by 32 inches by 91 inches, $68.82, 15% off. Next, we have the Lego Creators 3-in-1 Forest Animals Red Fox Toys building toys for kids, boys and girls, animal figurine with 3 building options into fox, owl, or squirrel, which is pretty neat. 30% off, limited time deal, $34.99. Then we have this Conair fabric shaver and lint remover battery operated portable fabric shaver, 40% off, $8.99. If this does what I think it does, I've used like shaving razor blades on old sweatshirts that have those little lint balls that appear sometimes on the lettering or the texting. If it's like a wool or felt text that just after a lot of washes, you'll get those little lint balls. Using a shaving razor makes them look like new once you get rid of those little lint balls. So I imagine that's what this is. So these are super convenient. I've never tried it, but for $9, 40% off seems like a pretty good deal. Then we have the SanDisk 2 terabyte extreme micro memory card with adapter up to 240 megabytes per second. Micro SD card 2 terabytes V30A2, $176.57. Limited time deal, 15% off. Then we have the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 mop and clean by room with smart mapping. I've always wanted to try one of these, never have though. Works with Alexa, personalized cleaning, powered OS, ideal for pet hair, carpet, and hard floors. Limited time deal, 43% off for $199 even. Then we have these deals on cameras, which actually were more discounted than I've seen before. And here we have the Sony Alpha FX3 full frame cinema line camera from Sony. Now this, if anybody cares to know, is probably one of the more social media content creator cameras and a lot of other things as well. One of the more popular cameras, and very few times is this discounted, but it's down 8%. So a few $100s from its original price of $3,900. They haven't come out with a new camera, so maybe they're going to come out with one, but even then cameras tend not to go down in price too much. So this is surprising to see 8% off down to its lowest price of $35.98. And then similar, we have the Sony Cinema Line FX30 Super Camera 35. Now this is the difference between the FX3 and the FX30 is the size of the sensor. The FX3 has a full frame sensor a larger sensor, which means of course it's more sensitive to light. It can pick up more light, more details. And then this one has the crop sensor, or smaller sensor, which isn't necessarily bad, but it's not a full frame sensor like the other one. So it does come at a much deeper discount. But even this one, listed at $1,800, is now down 17%, down to $1,498, which is still pricey, but for the quality of camera, a big discount to see on these Sony cameras, $1,498. Then we have the Lego Star Wars Millennium Falcon, A New Hope 25th anniversary collectible model, DIY for adults, men and women 18 plus, Star Wars gift, $69.99, 18% off. Next, we have the Google Pixel Buds Pro, 2 wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation, Bluetooth headphones in hazel, $179 even, limited time deal, 22% off for $179 even. Then we have the Garmin InReach Mini 2 lightweight and compact satellite communicator, hiking handheld orange. So if you're big into hiking, big into camping, to be safe, you have this mini compact satellite communicator, so you'd always be connected and can be found or find your way if you ever get into an emergency. $284 even, 29% off. Then we have this Oral-B Deep Clean white and rechargeable electric toothbrush with visible pressure sensor, 2-minute timer, 5 cleaning settings, $99.99, toothbrush heads, travel case and refill holder in black, limited time deal, 33% off, $99.99. And those are the deals that we have on Amazon. I want to say some pretty decent deals that we have. Pretty good discounts. Again, all of these are either best price or very close to the best price. You can double check on Camel. I'll have that website listed in the description, as well as all the links to all the products that I've gone through. Again, I'll only post things that are on sale. I'll never just assume that because Amazon says something's on sale, that it's on sale. But with that, happy shopping, happy Amazoning. I hope you found some good deals. Please consider liking and subscribing, and as soon as I have some more deals, I'll send them your way.